Hello, Cancer, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Whether you're a subscriber, newcomer, follower, or regular client ko na. If you have a Cancer, Sun, Moon, and Rising, this message could be for you. So, ito ay prediction for the next 6 months. Tarot cards. Ito ay prediction for the next 6 months. We'll go into each month, one by one. So, ang start ng month number 1 nyo is next month, and so on and so forth. So, first is Oracle. Reminder, only take what resonates. This message could be for you. Some messages could be for someone else. Impasse, reflect and redirect your energy. Next, Oracle. Wait. Don't rush into action right now. Bide your time for better results. Okay, a lot of waiting. Pareho silang nagsasabi na wait. Wait lang, Cancer, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Huwag kayong mag-rush. Huwag kayong basta-basta mag-decide. Maghintay lang muna kayo. So, for the next 6 months, kailangan nyo i-reassess and realign your energy. Kung tama ba yung aspect of life na pinagfo-focusan ninyo. Kung may offer man na dumating, maghintay lang kayo. Huwag kayo agad-agad susugod sa giyera ng walang armas. So that means gathering your knowledge or do your research muna before making decisions. So first month, which is next month, July, August, Queen of Pentacles. Okay, wow. You're such a hard worker next month. So a lot of your energy would be redirected into career, business, or finances. Expect to have a drive to pursue your goals. I see na maghihigpit ka rin pagdating sa budgeting mo. Mas magiging stricto ka sa sarili mo. Iiwasan mo yung pagbili ng wants and more on needs. Lalo kung provider ka ng family, mas unahin mo ang pagbigay ng pera para sa inyong loved ones and family. You guys could be taking on more jobs or more overtime work to maximize your income. Some of you would be growing or pursuing new streams of income para madagdagan ng pera mo. So this August is all about hustling energy or hustle energy. For those in the workforce, there is someone you look up to. Maalaga siya na babae. Maalaga na babae na magaling magpalago ng pera. This person will be your ally. So, maring tulungan ka niya pagdating sa work responsibilities mo and to gain the favor of higher-ups. Maring maka-business partner nyo itong babaeng ito. Or may tutulong sa inyo financially with those same qualities. Next is September. Reverse, Page of Cups. Okay, for September naman, kailangan nyo mag-ingat sa mga offers na darating sa inyo. These offers could be too good to be true. Maring ibobola ka ng person na ito na magandang offer na ito. You should get it while it lasts. O kaya may mag-aalok sa inyo na bumili ng kotse niya kasi mukhang bago, or may mga pa-freebie siya ng binibigay para makuha mo yung car. You have to think twice. You have to wait. Yan. Wait muna. Huwag kayo mag-rush into a decision kasi it is likely a choice that you will regret. And also, huwag kayo mag-decide kapag emotional kayo ng August kasi emotions are high for that month. And mahihirapan kayo mag-think logically kasi nga nauunahan kayo ng emotions nyo. September, 5 of Cups. Okay. 5 of Cups. Wow. So, the emotions will linger until September. If ever na nag-rush kayo sa decision ng August, it is likely na it will lead into yung negative energy na mangyayari sa September. Magsisisi kayo doon sa purchase ninyo. So, if ever na may job offer na dumating, mag-isip muna kayo bago kunin iyon. Kasi, possible na na-hire na kayo tapos bigla nilang i-retract yung contract nyo. Or bigla nilang bawiin. So, don't rush into things. For those in love, then, August to September, huwag kayo agad-agad magpapabola sa bagong suitor ninyo or anyone na lalapit sa inyo. Try to think logically. September, October, month number 4. 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Be cautious about the people who are trying to take advantage of you, especially financially. Mapapansin nyo na maraming lalapit sa inyo ng October. Maring humingi ng pera, humiram ng gamit, o kaya they will disguise themselves as friends. Pero ang totoo is may kailangan lang sila sa inyo. So be wary of that. Huwag kayo agad-agad magbigay sa mga taong hindi nyo kilala. O huwag kayo masyadong overly generous. Mas mainam na unahin nyo muna yung sarili ninyo. Okay. The Oracle card also applies na you should wait. Kilalanin nyo muna yung person na ito. Kung dapat bang tulungan o hindi. November. 2 of Wands. Panay waiting talaga yung energy ninyo for the next 6 months. Kasi this means choices. Pero hindi pa siya nagde-decide dyan eh. Like, pumipili pa siya. Maring magta-travel kayo ng November. Pero, hindi nyo mapili kung saan kayo pupunta. Yan, nakatingin siya sa mapa. You don't know where to go. O kaya kung magla-launch kayo ng business, you don't know where to start. Kung saang country nyo ita-target. For November, i-assess nyo muna kung feasible yung mga business choices nyo nun before making a decision. Sa mga magta-travel locally or internationally, maring may dalawang choices kayo pero hindi nyo alam kung saang country nyo gusto pumunta. Possible din na magkaroon ng suitor for some of you. Pumipili kayo between 2 suitors. And both are attractive naman for you pero you don't know who is sincere. So again, wait it out. Kilalanin nyo muna sila. And wow, December, Ace of Cups. Okay, so yan yung maaring yan yung offer na matagal yung hinihintay during these 6 months. Diba? Ang daming options na dumating. Maaring throughout these 6 months, may offer ng business partnership, ng loans, ng mga bagay na ibebenta. Pero, sa December siya lumabas eh. So, you have to wait talaga for these 6 months to pass. Huwag muna kayo mag-decide. Wait for December. Kasi, yung December yan yung offer na magbibigay talaga sa inyo ng happiness. Maaring kaya nga sa love, December nyo makukuha yung relationship na inaasahan nyo, yung puno ng love, puno ng happiness. O kaya December darating yung business partnership na kailangan nyo para mapalago ang inyong negosyo. December kayong ma-approvean ng loan, whether sa car or sa house. December nyo makukuha yung offer to work in a company that values work-life balance or aligned sa inyong goals. So ayan, Cancer rising again. Wait, be patient, maintain your boundaries. So that's it. I hope na nag-resonate sa inyo. Again, only take what resonates. Some messages could be for you, some messages could be for others.